Hello guys and welcome to the short tutorial on how to add a store to your website. In this video we'll see how you can add store to your website and products to your store. For that, first you have to install WooCommerce plugin. To add WooCommerce plugin, go to your dashboard, go to plugins and add new plugins. Now search for WooCommerce. Install and activate WooCommerce. After activating WooCommerce, you will see a WooCommerce option and products option in your dashboard. And now you will see a visit store option here, which means that a store has been added to your website. Now you have to go on products to add products. Now here's the list of products that I have added in my website. Now to add one more product, you have to go to add new product. And here you will have to fill out some basic information of the product that you want to add. Like for example the regular price or the sales price. Now if you are an affiliate website, you can also add products with affiliate links. You have to go on product data and go to external and affiliate product. Now here you have to add the product URL from your affiliate link. Here you will add button text, which means what is the text that your button states. Like for example buy product, or you can also change it to add to cart. Now here you have to choose the price, which is a regular price, and this is a sales price, which means that the sale price should always be less than regular price. Here you can add few tags to your product. And here you can add product image. Now here's an example of the product that I want to add to my store. Here's the name of the product, the description of the product, and here's the image of the product. Now I have added two tags to it and a category to it. After adding all the necessary information, click the publish button. And now after reloading the products, so here's the product that I wanted to add to my shop. Now this is the buy product button which I was talking about. You can also change it to add to cart or to cart only. See how easy it was to add a shop or a store to your website. So guys, that's it for today. If you liked the video, do like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Comment below for next video suggestion or queries. You can also follow me on Instagram and I have given the link in description. Okay then, see you in next video guys. Take care, bye.